Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing the Scout Inn. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi, free parking and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. The Scout Inn offers accommodations in downtown Cody, Wyoming. All of our renovated rooms offer a private bathroom with hair dryer, air conditioning, microwave, refrigerators and free private parking. The Scout Inn also provides laundry with ironing facility for our guests' convenience. Lobby hours November 2022 to March 2023 at 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. The nearest airport is Yellowstone Regional Airport 1.9 miles from the property. The east gate to Yellowstone is 52 miles. All Cody has to offer is within walking distance from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.